Hello and welcome to how to make Tenderstem broccoli in the microwave. Step 1. Preparing the Tenderstem broccoli. First of all, put it all in a container like this. Next, give it a wash. Step 2. Pour away the water. Step 3. Cover with the lid, but don't seal it, just cover. Step 4. How to use the microwave. Open the door. Put the food in the microwave. You get this already, didn't you? Press the power button first. This selects the percentage of 900 watts. We'll leave it at 100. Press confirm. Turn the knob for the time. This is normally 4 minutes. And then press start confirm again. There. Perfect results every time. Ow!